welcome to Optometrist. So today I'm going to discuss about how to insert and how to remove the contact lenses. So to wear contact lenses, you need a lenses first and the contact lens solution and the mirror. Check the expiry of the lenses always. So I'm going to take my lenses. You can just open it. Here you can see the lenses always will be in the solution. So take your lenses out. And before inserting it, we need to clean it properly. So for cleaning, you have to place it in the palm and pour 1 to 2 drops of the contact lens solution. So after that, you just have to put the finger here, just make like a plus here and here. Then you can just rotate. In this way, it will get cleaned properly. So after that, we need to check the lenses. It is in the correct position to wear or in the reverse position. For that, we just have to bring the lenses here. This part here, you just place it here on the line on your hand. Just place it in the center of the line here. Now you have to fold your hand like this. See, the lenses are coming and meeting. So the lens edges are coming and meeting together. If it is in the ultra or reverse position, it will not come together. So the second check we need to do, just take your lenses here with your index finger like this. Just put it on the eye level. Check the shape of the contact lens. It will be like a ball shape. So this is in the correct position. So I'm going to wear it now. I'm going to put for my right eye. So before inserting, we need to open the lids properly. So I'm just taking my left hand, I'm pulling my upper lid. Right hand, I'm just pulling my lower lid with the use of my middle finger. So I'm going to place it inside. For that, I need a mirror to check the centration. So after checking the centration, you just have to place it in. Okay. After placing it, you just slowly close your lids and rotate your eyes right, left, up, down, and you can open and check the lenses. So here you just need to see the white line around the cornea, which is the black color part. Around that there will be one white line. So that is the edge of the lenses. You can confirm with that. And the second check you can do, just cover the other eye to check the vision. With the lenses, the vision will be clearer. Now I'm going to tell about how to remove the lenses. It's basically with the one hand technique. You just have to pull your lower lid and touch your lenses with the index finger and bring it down and pinch it outside. It's very simple. Just see, I'm just pulling my lower lid. I'm touching my lenses now. While bringing down, you just have to look up and just now pinch it outside. In this way, it will come out quickly. That's all. It's very simple. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, just comment below. We'll discuss there. Click, clap,